Hey guys, I'm at this place called Major Way, and my dad knows the owner and they have a ton of squishies here. You can also customize sneakers. Let's go look at the squishies. Guys, they have so many squishies. Look it. I think I'm gonna get the peach or the strawberry. They also have cherries and a giant cheese. Also a huge butter. They have a banana, ice cream bar, carrot, and butter. They also have the chicken legs and the ducks. Look at all of the Neatos. They also have a giant ripple one. Also, you can customize your own shoes with all of these really nice fabrics. And the shoelaces are so cute. All of these charms you can put on your shoes. And they sell clothes. Like, look at these shoes. Look how cool this is. And stop, the Sambas are so cute. They have Hello Kitty on it. Y'all, come quick. There's a 25% sale on all of these really cool shoes. This is the design station. They have so many different colors. You can even paint your sneakers. All of these cute characters can go on your shoes. Look how cute these beanies are. I love them. Guys, this is so cute. Everything here is so cool. Hurry, there's a sale. So cute. Look at the squeezy. That's it, guys. I'm gonna do a haul of everything I get.